Are you like me and you have a large harvest of apples to pick and you're kind of short in stature and the trees are pretty tall, and I'm also not very good with my equilibrium because of my MS, so I stay on the ground? Well, in today's video, I am going to show you a couple of ways that we are going to pick all of our apples this year. So stay tuned and follow along. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy and welcome to City Homestead Living, where bringing a piece of country to your backyard is more than a motto, it is a way of life. In today's video, we are going to share with you 2 ways that we use to pick all of the apples off of our apple trees. They are not involved. We are going to show you one way to use an actual tool and one way to use a tool that you create yourself. So stay tuned and we're going to show you how. This is my apple picking tool and I am going to show you how it works. It works pretty good if they're out in the open like this. So you grab it with the in between the tines and it just pulls off into your basket. What happens to me all the time is that I get it stuck in the tree. So I prefer, because farmers had to rescue me and get my basket unstuck. I prefer to make my own because it doesn't get hung up in the tree. You can get these with telescoping handles. This one doesn't have one, but farmer's really tall, so he doesn't need one. And you can buy them on Amazon, I'll link them below. But also, you can do things like I did with my first one. I took the head off of my old Webster where the head was kind of worn off. And then I used the handle, repurposed the handle to use as a telescoping handle. Go get another bin because this one's pretty full. In order to create your own fruit picking tool, you're going to need a 2-liter bottle, a Sharpie, and a pair of scissors. First, you're going to cut a design that is ovalish but wide enough for your fruit to fit through and kind of pointed at the end so that it can grab the fruit off the tree. You're going to find whatever stick that you're going to use and tape it to your bottle. Then you'll reach up into the tree, put the hole over the top of your apples and pull down. It will nestle your apples safely in your bottle. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share our content on your social media. Because we're on a mission to help hundreds of thousands of individuals and families be more self-sufficient right where they are in these trying times. Thank you guys for coming along with us today on our journey. We greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share our videos with others because we want to reach as many people as possible to show them ways that they can become more sustainable right where they live. And as always, happy homesteading adventures.